this screencast will show you how to create a glog using GlogsterEDU. We're going to start from the home page. That's edu.glogster.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to sign up for an account, and you can sign up button from the home page. There are paid and free versions available. For this demonstration, I'm going to use the free version, and that link is located towards the bottom middle of the page. You can either link in with your Google account or complete the information to create a new account on Glogster. I'm going to go ahead and sign in and show you what it looks like. This is the dashboard on Glogster. From here you'll see the glogs that have been created, as well as pages for classes, students, projects, portfolios, presentations, and a message board. And some of the functionality of these sections is more expansive in the premium versions. There are two places that you can get inspiration and ideas for how to use Glogster in teaching and learning. And one place is the Glog Pedia. There's a link at top, and there's also one here. Visit Glog Pedia for inspiration. The Glog Pedia is an encyclopedia or library of glogs in a variety of disciplines and subject areas within those disciplines. So this is a great place to get more ideas of how to use Glogster. Another place is located at the bottom of the page, anywhere within the website, the resources page. And that link is located at the bottom of the promotions section. And this is another place that GlogsterEDU posts ideas for teachers and educators in a variety of areas to use Glogster in their classes. So let's go back to the dashboard. And we're going to create a new glog. The button to create a new glog is located towards the middle top section of the page of your dashboard. You can start from a template. There are a number of great templates available for the free account, and even more available if you have a premium account. I'm just going to start with a vertical template. It's a basic template that allows a lot of flexibility for me to add items on my glog. Now, as you can see, we have the option to add a variety of multimedia elements. We can do text, graphics, images, change the wall, change the page, add audio, video, and other kinds of data. So let's take a look at text. There are a lot of text options, and you can just take some time to look through the different sections of available text. I will choose one and click Use It, and it has been added to my page. So I'm going to go ahead and close out our tools here. We can always bring back the tools by clicking on the Tools button at the top. So here is the text box or text bubble that I have inserted. And you can see that now that I have selected that element, there are tools that surround it. And these tools will allow me to change the arrangement, to change the color scheme, the orientation of it. And if I double click the text, I can select the font face from a variety of options, and I can choose different markup elements like bolding, italicizing, underlining. I can make it left, center, or right aligned. I can change the size of the text by using the slider or typing in a point size there. I can create a hyperlink by typing in the URL that I'd like it to link to in the hyperlink box. And I can choose a different color for my text if I so choose. And then I can just type new text. And it can be whatever kind of text that you would prefer for your glog, depending on what the glog is about. And just type your text there. And then you can click and move that element around your glog to where you want it to be. If you're using a template, there'll be some elements that are already provided, and you can adjust these elements just by clicking on them, and you'll see the tools. This is an image, and so is this one. Now, looking at the tools, let's do a little tour. The graphics that are available, we've got some arrows that can point to different parts of the glog. Other kinds of clip art type graphics that are available as part of Glogster. An image will allow you to upload an image of your own, such as this one. This was a PowerPoint slide that I saved as a picture file, a JPEG file, and then I uploaded it by selecting the upload button and finding on my computer. So, like the text, choose the object that you want to add to your glog and click the Use It button. And then you can see how you can adjust that element, resizing it, moving it around, etc. So there's a lot of flexibility with these elements. The wall will allow you to choose from the gallery or a solid color. Let's take a look at a few of the options that are available. And this will change the wall background of the glog, as you can see how that changed. If we want to adjust the page, we can choose from the available gallery, or we could choose a solid. And now you can see that the page, which is the area around that wall, has changed. The audio will allow you to upload audio files that you can then link to. Video will allow you to upload video files as well as find files on YouTube that you have uploaded or that are just posted to YouTube that you want to link to. And data will allow you to upload other kinds of media in the data area. So once you're done with your glog, let's give it a name. And make sure you save it. And then you can choose which discipline it's most closely aligned, or choose no category. I'm going to go ahead and choose technology, computer graphics. And then you can choose a grade level if you'd like. And you can provide some keyword tags to your glog. And you can actually set the URL or choose what they have given. And then it's recommended that you allow it to either be public or public with reglog. And reglog will allow other people to repost it. And then you'll click Finish Saving. So it is now a public glog, as you can see here. The URL is available. We can either go right to the Glog, or we can copy the link to share in an email or post it through social media to be able to share it with others.